AGYS stock analysis. Is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be answering all that in this very brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As the only guy in this space has actually done 40,000 videos, I've actually seen what's making me money and what's not. I mean, by the way, that has taken me 5 years, so it's not like get rich overnight scheme. Honestly, as I'm looking at Agilysys, I did have my previous set of rules set up and everything, but because we kind of gapped down, everything kind of got distorted. And all I'm like looking to do now is when the price is going up, like when it's having a 22% increase in price in a day, I'm just looking to double down in this instance, meaning that on this 2-hour chart, only if I do see the price pulling down and then giving me some sort of like a confirmation, then and only then I'm going to look to buy, right? Buying at the top, yes, I've done it before. Yes, it hasn't worked, right? So I'm hoping for praying for a correction. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.